So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of objects in Google Drawing. You can see that the frame right here is in the backmost area. Then you have this sign right here. Then you have the cube, and then you have this rectangular shape, as you can see right here. And they are in a certain order. So this is in the backmost area right here, and the green rectangle is in the frontmost area. And if you want to change its order, then what you can do is you can right click over here, and over here you can see order is an option. So if you were to click on send backward right here, then what happens is that it goes one step back, as you can see right here. If I were to right click over here and go to order again and click on send backward, then what happens is that it goes one step back. If you want to send the shape to the backmost area right here, then you right click, and over here in order you can click on send to back instead of just selecting send backward right here. Similarly, if you want to bring this to the front, you can go around, right click over here and go to order and click on bring forward right here, so it comes one step forward. And if you want to bring it to the frontmost area, then you can right click over here and go to order and click on bring to front, just like this. And that is how you can arrange out the order of objects inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.